The IAEA report is now used as an endorsement for Japan's release of nuclear polluted water among international community. Let's take a serious look. You'll find it quite different from what you think. Again, no political stance, just state the facts. On page number 2, it states that neither the IAEA nor its member states assume any responsibility for the consequences that may arise from its use. Page number 3, the decision to release the water was made by the Japanese government. The report is neither a recommendation nor an endorsement of this action. Regarding responsibility, Tokyo Electric Power Company has the primary responsibility for the ALPS system. The only supervisor is a department formed by the Nuclear Regulation Authority under the Japanese government, which means the action of releasing plant is purely made by the Japanese government with no third-party oversight. The report also points out that the Japanese government has already decided to release into the sea. The decision goes far beyond the scope of radiation protection. The IAEA does not comment on it, and is only here to review the radiation protection aspect. All reviewed data and samples were provided by the TEPCO and Japanese government. The IAEA did not conduct independent sampling. So, in conclusion, this report is based solely on a PPT provided by Japan and some strictly controlled non-random samples. This report is more like a disclaimer than an endorsement. Next, I'm going to share some interesting news. First, the US, as one of Japan's major export destinations, reduced its imports of Japanese agricultural forestry and marine products the most in the first half of this year. Why? Second, in 2011, one of the Japanese officers, in order to prove the safety of treated nuclear water, he drank up half cup of the treated water in press conference. He subsequently rose in his career, but retired just 4 years later, disappearing from the public and never show up again. With the current skepticism about the releasing plan, why hasn't this officer come forward to speak up for Japanese government? How is his health status? Is he even alive? At last, a message for everyone. Water that is safe does not need to be released into the sea. Water that is not safe should not be released into the sea.